Are you hanging out in the grass? Yeah? What's the grass feel like?
Okay, I'm Kai, this is Legolas, 100% raw vegan pregnancy and still 100% raw baby, no supplements, stronger than any baby I've seen, 5 months old.
Hi, I'm Karen Ranzi. I'm the author of Creating Healthy Children Through Attachment Parenting and Raw Foods. This is my 3rd year speaking at the Woodstock Fruit Festival, and it gets better every year. More and more families are coming. This year there was a 9-year-old boy who's been raw his entire life.
That was awesome.
Levi,
yeah.
How long have you been a vegan?
Yep, just 5.
Birth.
Your entire life, huh?
Yeah.
And have you ever eaten cooked food?
No.
Never. You've been a raw vegan since birth.
Yeah.
How old are you?
9.
9 years old. Do you have any desire to eat like pizza or ice cream or anything? No? What do you think of that kind of food?
I don't think people should be eating that really.
Really?
It's not good for you.
Wow.
And they get sick and...
My son Levi has been raw vegan all his life. He's 9 years old now, and we raised him raw vegan from birth. And he's an extremely healthy, happy, and energetic young man. He's never been sick since he's been born.
Do you take any like supplements or anything? Do you take like a B12 or DHA? Do you know any of those things? Do you take any of them?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what to take? Okay.
That's awesome.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
And does Levi take any supplements?
I do, because our pediatrician is concerned when he looks at the numbers on the blood test that his B12 is often at the bottom end of the quote normal range. Even though Levi shows no signs of anemia or any of the common symptoms of B12 deficiency, they still are concerned. So to make them happy, and for a certain amount for our peace of mind, we give him a B12 supplement once a month. He takes a methylcobalamin sublingual tablet under the tongue, and his B12 now is always in the range when we go to the doctor. Excuse me, and there's nothing to worry about. So.
Where do you get your protein, Levi?
Fruits and veggies.
What's your...
Where do you get your protein? Yeah, right? Heck yeah!
Fruit makes us strong!
He understands what he's doing and why it's so great. Like, he loves the fact that he's never sick. He realizes that his diet is a great diet, and so he said to me one day, I want to make a video about what I eat so that I can show other kids and their parents so that they don't have to be sick and so that they can be more healthy. And I said, that's awesome, well, let's do that. So we did that, and then he said, well, maybe I could write a book about that, and then we could give it to people and they would learn about what I do. I said, okay, that's great. So he started typing on the computer, but it was pretty slow and he got a little frustrated. So I said, well, how about you talk and I'll just type it in, whatever you say. So, okay, that's great. So we did that, and 40 pages later, he was done what he wanted, including his favorite recipes. So he now has a book out. It's called Raw Food for Kids, Tales of an 8-Year-Old Raw Foodist. And he finished the book when he was 8. He just turned 9.
So why did you write the book?
Because I wanted to help kids be raw from birth.
Why do you think that's important?
Because then you don't get sick all the time and you have lots of energy and you're way more happier and you feel better. So, yeah.
But you can go to his website, rawfoodlevi.com, and get yourself a copy of it. It's great. A lot of people have said it's very inspiring for them to raise their child raw vegan, and they want to read it to their children and show them that there's another little boy who does all the things that they love, sports, and is fun and healthy, and he eats tons of fruits and vegetables. So hopefully their child will be inspired by Levi, and that's what he really wanted to do.
Out of everyone who's sitting down right now, who's vegan?
Woo! I'm vegan. I'm all vegan. Sort of.
Now, you have friends who eat like pizza and they eat cheese and meat and stuff, right?
Yeah, I have friends that eat meat.
What do you understand that? Do you understand why they like that kind of food?
Yeah, because they were born that way. And they're addicted to it.
Good answer.
And then I know some kids that don't want to eat meat, but they have to because of their parents.
Right, they're forced to. If there's one thing you want to say to the world about being vegan, what would it be?
It's healthy and it's ethical. And we never get sick. Right? You never get sick? Yeah, it's healthy and ethical. 2 words, healthy and ethical. And you never get sick.